Hi, this is John with WTI, and I got hooked for it, sparkling water for the past few months. Lately, it's been too much, but it's worth it. Every single penny has been worth it. So this is one of my favorite ones when it comes to neutral flavors, like no flavor at all. This is a San Pellegrino water, sparkling water with minerals. So one of the things I like about this guy here is just how simple it is, but at the same time, you can feel the taste and the quality of the products. That's how San Pellegrino knows how to. So I've tasted different several sparkling waters lately, and if you're going to a neutral, no flavor, this has been my favorite one so far. It's just easy for you to mix with cocktails or anything. If you just want to drink it normal, like most of the times I do, it's just gonna do the work for you. So San Pellegrino, as always, has a lot of quality in their products. So if you're looking for a great sparkling water, this one just does a great job. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.